Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this social media post for fashion sale in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our social media post. Now first we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a square. Now we will set the size of the square 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. Now we will set the align of the square. First we will click on specified point, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will drag this square like this and we will right click to make a copy in the center of the square. Now we will adjust the size of the square. Now we have these two rectangles. Now first we will select this and we will fill white color. Now we will select both and we will drag inside with the shift key. Then we will right click to make a copy. Now we will select this rectangle and we will drag like this and right click to make a copy. Now we'll select this rectangle and we will fill black color. Now we'll select this and we will fill, you can see the color code. Now we'll select this and we will give a white color to the outline. Now we'll increase the size of the outline. Now we'll select this rectangle and we will fill white color. Now we'll select all these rectangles and we will remove the outline by right click. Now again we will select the rectangle tool and we will draw a small square with the control key. Now we'll fill color. Now we'll place here. Now we will zoom and we will drag inside with the shift key. Then we will right click to make a copy. Now we'll fill black color. Now we'll select both squares and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select both and we will drag and right click to make a copy. Now we'll change the color of the outer square. We will fill white color. Now we will adjust the size of this rectangle with the shift key. Now we will select this both square and we will drag and right click to make a copy. Now we will increase the size with the shift key. Now we will select the inner square and we will change the color. I will make a copy of this black square. We will drag and right click. Now we will decrease the size of the square like this. Now we will select and we will drag and right click to make a copy. Now I will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we will select all and we will drag and right click. Then we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we will select all the squares and we will right click, then group. Now I'll place here. Now I'll make a copy of this squares. We will drag and right click. Now we will change color. Now we will decrease the size. Now we'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle with the Control Shift. Now we'll fill white color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll drag inside with the shift key, then right click to make a copy. Now we'll change the color. Now we have all these details and image. Now I'll place this. First we will select the image and we will right click, then select power clip inside. I'll click on this circle. Now I'll click on edit. Now we will adjust the image according to the circle. I'll click on finish. Now we will adjust the size of the circle. Now first we will place logo and brand name here. Now place this text. You can see the font style. Now we'll edit this text. We will change the color like this. Now we'll select one letter and we will change the color. Now we'll place on the center. Now we'll place the website address. We will adjust the text. Now we place contact number and we will give a white color. Now we select both and we will press E to align vertical. Now we place this text on this box. Now we will adjust the size. Ungroup and we will change the color. Then we will adjust, we will decrease the size. Now we select this white circle and we will drag like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now give a color to the outline and we will remove the fill color. Now we'll increase the size of the outline. Now we will adjust the size. So guys, our social media post design for fashion sale is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.